Sa magtas lang ng lapa ang kinalabasan. What you heard, the mong kokaring mga
Shoutout sa iyo, DMBS. Kung kaya kailangan ko i-way sa check up konting GPS.
Yung Yaris Cross para naman. Video mo.
Lagi na high socks.
Hindi mo video mo kanina sa Facebook?
Hindi. Kala ko wala siya.
Kids don't do coke. Need ko lang na ng sugar rush.
Mula sa baba pa akyat, nagbuhat para umangat. At ang mukha mo, dali rin angat sa lahat yung gitna ko. Masyado pa lang magaling. Gang, 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 gang. Ah! Kaya mo! Ganti! Oh, yup ko! Ano yung kailangan?
Asian, SHN yung pangalan niya eh.
Kanya.
Ginawa niyang Asian. A-Asian. Parang word play sa Asian.
Monster energy drink. You probably know me from narcotic dealing. I can't go back. Already know what I gave them traffic. I can't go fresh. Like, what's wrong?
World peace. World peace.
Nagari bro, no? Nagari.
Bagay magmaldita, tipo proximidad. Ang sarap ng iwa, ang daan ng kita. You live in the where you at, so get you on the toes like Michael Jackson. You can dance now, what's my name? Don't stop advising to my littlest. Kindness and the finest of the kiddos got no prom. You should better prove to the kiddo. Gotta get it back to back and top my top. So I need to pop a cap and snap a cap. I'm balance sa magtas, silang ng laptop. Ang kinalabasan, and we don't stop. Even if they point glass to the head, ain't scared to be dead, just being ready.
Papalayo, huwag mang kalimutan kung saan ka nabuo. Di bata sa laban mo, doon sadya magulo. Wala madali, madalas nakakalito. Ngunit ganyan lang talaga, minsan mapapatulala. Gusto na lang mawala, pero tandaan mo lagi, hindi ka nag-iisa. Boredom is the least of my worries, then slow it down. Take the time to breathe, be one with the sound. Energy unleashed, time to throw it down. Tell me when it's energy unleashed, time to throw it down. Tell me when it's time for me to leave, can you hold it down? Hold it down. Sound check lang, man. Haven't seen each other for a while, it's been a long time. Big ups to my family and shout out to my Lord. Always on your hustle, hope that everything is alright. Don't forget the name back up pag meron ka na sobra. See me like paint picture side of sound, paint scene with these eyes blurred, rushing on the street. Ano man ang nangyari dati, yun ay nakaraan. Tandaan na pagdaanan, merong matutuklasan. Ihip ng hangin, lumalakas sa iyong palagan. Lahat may pinagdaraanan, dapat mo lang pasan. Mabigat man ang buhat mo at kung nakikita sa kaya, para sa mabibigat ka kaya maasawa. Yeah. It's back, bro. Bago tayo magsimula, big shoutout sa Fragment Manila kay Direct Gian. Direct Gian, kung nandito ka, maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga bumubuo ng music video na to. Para sa inyo to, man. Love.
Spotify. Since 2007. Nagpag-aral niya kasi alam kong Taylor Swift makakalog sa top 5. Spotify rap. Mag-play na kaya nila sa top 5. Nasa top 10 lang pero sound. Nasa top 10.
Everywhere golden.
shoot, syempre.
Hey, girl, you know I hate. I'm working on it, trying to get to that. Heard you want an athlete with a mansion. Guess I'm whack. Said I'm sorry, I can't dribble, catch a ball or swing a bat. Girl, I thought you was crazy. I keep calling where you at, stupid bitch. When I find you, I'm gonna up you with this gas. Matter of fact, fuck it, I don't give a fuck anyway. I see that you live happy.